Welcome to Zynerd's demo on the Android app that we have. We launched it for NEET PG 2024 around 2 months back. The app is a form or a different form of information that we have on the portal. Most of the features in the portal are available in the app too, but our primary offering is the portal. The portal, by portal we mean portal.zynerd.com, opened up on your browser, either Chrome or Safari, on your mobile or your laptop or tab or iPad, on the browser of your device. That gives you comprehensive information in terms of closing ranks, in terms of tables, in the form of tables. Similarly, allotment, seat matrix, everything in the form of tables. When you want to look at comprehensive information, possibly a bigger screen iPad or a laptop with portal.zynerd.com is what it should be. App is a different form where certain features like announcements, deadlines, videos, and certain other similar simple information like institute level information all can be taken very easily. So for that use the app. But if you're looking at comprehensive information or in terms of information of allotment, mapping, rank scan, etc., that we come up with later, primarily use the portal. If you have just used the app, try out the portal because that is our primary offering. This is an addition to that which helps you do certain things with ease. We'll go through a demo of the app today. We'll start with the main page. This is the main page that you see after you log into the app. The basic things like on top you have the Zynerd user profile and you have packages, and you will be able to switch different exams in case you have multiple logins, in case you have multiple packages subscribed to, and then you will also be able to see your personal information. For editing your personal information, verifying your email, you will have to go to the portal and verify your information. And you have all the information on the profile and also on the packages. In case you have not subscribed to a particular package, you can select that package and move on to subscribe using this link. Now we are looking at the first page where the dashboard is. This page, on the top you see the bulletins. This is the dashboard page where you have all the basic information. Bulletins, all the recent updates will be available over here. The most recent being the AAQ 50. Very important updates. Not every update like round on choice filling is going on, etc. Those will not be available in the bulletin board. Anything which is very important, something that requires urgent attention will be there. So on a daily basis, if you're browsing through the bulletin, you will get to know all the important information over here. You can collapse over this or expand over this to get more information. You see the announcements next. The announcements are sorted by order of date of announcement. So the latest announcement, let us say, is the admission details for Arupadai Veedu Pondicherry, and the previous ones on the 6th of September, 5th of September are available over here. At any point in time, by using this calendar icon, you will be able to go to the current announcement, and you will also be able to search. I want to know information prospectus of certain states. So you will be able to search the prospectus of states. If it says information brochure, you will be able to search the information brochure of certain states over here and you can also filter out on the counseling. I want to look at information regarding, let us say, Haryana. What has Haryana notified? You will be able to check and figure out the notifications of Haryana. At any point in time, unlike in the portal of the website, you will be able to view every information right from the first notification through the last notification under the announcement section. You just click on view all and it will be visible over here. The first few notifications alone will be visible on the front page of the screen, on the first part of the screen. Events differ from announcements in a single way. Events refer to the deadlines or the timelines that are timelines over there. For example, here you see Saturday 7th CMC Vellore application, day 9 out of 9 ends today is the event here. So basically CMC Vellore registration started on 30th August and till 7th September. Still it is also happening today. You are seeing that in today's events. There is a deadline today, 9 out of 9. Therefore, it says ends today on the top. Similarly, you have the TN Government PG applications open. If you click on it, it will expand and say 3rd September to 15th September. This is available till 5 p.m. Day 4 out of 13. There are 9 more days to go and ends in 8 days. It is clearly visible. You click on the application, it will take you directly to the application link. Similarly, you will be able to go through everything that has over the next, every event that is happening over the next many days through this events portal. You can select, I want to know only what is happening regarding currently, let us say, Tamil Nadu counseling, where something is happening, then you can click on it. It will filter out on Tamil Nadu counseling alone and give you the details. This is the event section. These two, on a daily basis, you might need to look at it once at least or twice on a daily basis. That is important because you will need to get the updates and whatever deadlines are there over the next few days. Now, next we have the allotments, closing ranks, the entire quick links over here, and you also see the the bottom sheet where you have the menu at the bottom, where you have dashboard, report, tools, directory and videos. So these are each sections that you also see in our portal on the left menu bar. In our portal you would see similar menu on the left side of the portal. Now you have quick links of all these. So if it is repository over here, the same is also available as a quick link over here when you, as you see it, allotments, closing ranks. Similarly, the tools that are available, allotment mapping, rank scan, seat increase, those are available also here as quick links. Same with directory and FAQs and resources. We will go through each one by one. We will start with allotments over here. Let us say I want to look at allotments. You go to the repository and click on allotments over here. Same with closing ranks, and if you want to know the seat matrix, fees type and bond, you can click over here. There is a very simple explanation on description of what allotments is about, and that is available over here. You can move this over the top, the counseling list over the top, and list out all the counselings and decide on which counselings that you are going to look at. I'll start with All India Counselling over here, and I'm looking at allotments of All India Counselling. Now this, when you click exactly this, it will appear as a table in the MCC in the portal, in our portal, where you will see it in tabular format. This is in card format as of now. There is a icon over here which also gives the exact information in tabular format. We are yet to implement it. It will be up in another 2 to 3 days. Today possibly is 7th. Around 9th to 10th it will be available for you. But as of now, this icon, these two icons won't be visible for you. Only the card format is available as of now. So here you see the first rank in 2023, first round person of round 1 allotment. In round 1, the first ranker was allotted VMMC Delhi Radio Diagnosis, and so on. You see that rank 2 was not allotted, rank 3 was allotted, which seat they were allotted, and so on. Every rank's allotment is available over here. Now 73,524 records were available because in 2023, what are we seeing? 2023, 73,524 allotments happened across different rounds. I want to filter. On the top right, you see the filter column. I want to filter on a particular round. I will go here and I will be able to filter on a particular round. I click on this. It will give me only round 1's 22,506 records. I have taken 22,506 records of round 1. From here, I will be able to see All India rank 13 took the seat, etc. and all. I will further need to filter on what was possible for my rank in case I want to filter between 7,500 and let us say I want to filter between a rank range of 9,500. This is the All India rank. Then I will say view results. It will start from 7,500 and give me the complete list of information. What is the information that you get in a card? The information that you get in a card is this All India rank 7,501 took CIP Ranchi seat, and this is in Jharkhand, took up a MD psychiatry seat. On clicking, it will say MD psychiatry or DNB psychiatry. If it is DNB psychiatry, it will be specifically mentioned as DNB psychiatry. What is 3,000? That is a fee for the course. 643 bedded institute. What is the quota and category? AAQ, and general is the quota and category. That is listed over here. On clicking, it will give you a pop-up which will have complete details of stipend year 1, year 2, year 3, and then the seat leaving penalty, course discontinuation penalty, and every other detail of that institute. This is available, and there are other filters too available. I want to look at only AAQ, All India quota, or I want to look at only MNG quota. I will be able to do that. Let us say I take AAQ quota and I belong to general OBC category. I select OBC and general. This form of filtering is very easy in the mobile. You would have been used to it through e-commerce website based applications. So for that you can use this. Let us say I am going to look at a particular institute. It is ideal. So this has been filtered. It is ideal for looking at a particular institute. I am going to look at where let us say GS Medical College closed for a particular specialty for All India quota in general or OBC category, then this is very simple. I want to know general medicine and rank. I am clear. I am removing the rank range. I am saying 1 to whatever rank range, 20,000 or so. Now this, once I apply, it will give me where Sage GS general medicines, all the Sage GS general medicine allotments in AAQ in the under Gen and OBC category. You are able to see it in an instance. So this is the power of the filters. If you want to look at information like this, Sage GS, I want to know which all ranks were allotted, then you use this information. But tabular format is a slightly different thing, where you will be able to see this all this information and compare the ranks as well in a single view. For this, while here you will have to scroll between 43, 135, rank 143, etc. Tabular format is slightly better that way. You can also move on to 2022 to look at 2024 to information for the exact same filters that you are looking at, and you can filter out on bond, penalty, fee, beds, course type, whether you want clinical or not, and then on degree, I want to know degree, etc. Note that for quota, if you want DNB, then you will have to select DNB post MBBS and not AAQ. DNB seats come under DNB post MBBS quota and not AAQ. Sort is also possible. Let us say I want to sort by institute name, then it gets sorted by institute name, and I want to sort by let us say stipend in year 1, the highest stipend ones appear over here. So this you will be able to do based on any particular information that is available. Any particular information that is available in the portal. Now similarly, you will be able to do it for every allotment, every counseling, like Assam, you want to go for Karnataka, you will be able to do that. All you need to do is go there and filter out the information. So this is available, and when you go for state level information, note that there is a second bar over here. Earlier you used to have the year wise bar. You also have an all India based view, state rank based view, and you also have a view where it is sorted by state rank, but both all India rank and state rank are available. We will take the example of Andhra Pradesh, because Andhra Pradesh has a different state rank and all India rank. The state rank 1 wise sorted order is here, and if you say both, you will get their all India rank as well. This is exactly similar when you take closing ranks too. So I am taking the example of closing ranks for all India counselling over here. I am moving on to closing ranks now, and I am saying all India counselling. Here it gives you the 2023, the year you have chosen, round wise closing ranks. That is the last rank that was allotted. Once you click on the number, like 13 was the last rank allotted, MD radio diagnosis, AAQ Gen seat. Which seat? AAQ Gen seat, MD radio diagnosis. In VMMC, the last rank to be allotted was 13 in all India rank. State rank is also the same for all India, so there is no difference. There is no specific state rank for all India counselling, and on clicking it will give you the 3 seats. Same for every round you can do. It will also give you additional information on this. This is how this is already sorted by closing ranks. You can see that 13 was the first closure. AEQ Gen seats, VMMC radio diagnosis closed at 13, ABMS Delhi, MD dermatology closed at 14. So you will be able to see this entire list by sorted order. Where will it help? Let us say I take the Assam and state of Assam. I'm not sure about Assam. I'm looking at Assam, and then I'm looking at the course general surgery, and I'm from, let us say, the category which is general category, and I'm looking at all India quota seats. You go to view results, it will clearly give you a sorted order. Here you see recommended sort, a sorted order of institutes in Assam by closing ranks of previous years. 9,531 was the closing rank of Guwahati Medical College. Then you have Assam and Silchar. This is because it is in round 3. Silchar actually in round 3 was allotted earlier, closed earlier than Assam Medical College Dibrugarh, that you are seeing over here. And you have all the other colleges. What you clearly get to know is Guwahati is far better than the last college which was allotted at 14,000. So this gives you a reference point in terms of how you can possibly pull out your preference orders. We always suggest that you go with additional information, but this gives you an information. You can also go back to 2022, but unlike the portal, you will not be able to correlate 2023 and 22. And also unlike the portal, you will not be able to view all records in a tabular format. This feature is not available in the app now. It will come up. I am just giving you an example. This is how it will come up. Usually this is how it is, right? In terms of or the entire order, that will be available soon in the portal as well in 2 to 3 days. Now closing ranks is fine. The same holds good for seat matrix and fee stipend and bond. So we are not taking it up in full. It is just a replica of what we filtered in closing ranks. So we are not taking that in full. You can explore both. Tools, we have the allotment mapping, rank scan and seat increase tool. Seat increase has not been published by NMC, so we may not be able to publish it this year. We are not offering it as part of the features too. That is why we don't know whether NMC will publish or not. Allotment mapping and rank scan, we will come to at a later point in time. A quick information on rank scan. As far as rank scan is concerned, you just look at the filters and say, I want to look at, I am rank 400. I want to look at what all seats ranks 350 to 399 have got across India. Then this is last year's data, but once we update this year's, you will get it for 2024 over here. Every round information of rank 350. Rank 350 took up this seat in round 1. Same seat was he continued in round 2. Same seat he continued in round 3. Rank 351 is also similar, and so on. You will be able to see for all the ranks. For instance, take rank 354 over here. The rank 354 was allotted IGIMS Patna in All India PG round 1. Punjab PG round 1, he was allotted, the person was allotted Government Medical College Patiala General Medicine. Round 2, they upgraded to Pandit BD Sharma Rohtak General Medicine, and then round 3, the person upgraded to Topiwala. So this information is available over here. This is better if you view it in a tabular format. You will be able to get more information. So use the app, but know that there are certain features which are better represented in a tabular format. The directory gives you a list of institutes. You can search for any institutes. I am not sure whether a particular institute is a private institute or not. Let us say Maharaja Agarsan Medical College. So you can go to this institute and you will see that it is a management quota institute, but it is under the state authority. It is a private institute, quasi-government institute. We know that. So similarly, you will be able to see for SV Medical College Tripuri, it is a pure government institute, and so on. And this will give you more information on courses, universities and counselings. When you start your counselling, if you are not, this is under the directory tab. When you start your counselling and you are not sure about the which portal to go to, let us say you go to AFMC, you want to visit the website, you can go ahead and visit the website. You want to look at the registration page, you can go to the registration page. Currently it is not open, it will be open up at a later point in time. You want to download the information bulletin for this year, it will be uploaded. In case the information bulletin is of that previous year, then you would know that this information was bulletin was not available, is not available yet for this year. This gives you information on the university as well. This you can do for any university and get the quotas and other details too. So this is pretty much as far as the main content is concerned. We look at two additional features that we have. One, in terms of the videos that are available. The videos that are available are in plenty. These are categorized into the latest as a category, features and demos, guides and FAQs, and then you have eligibility related videos, NRI quota related videos, certificates and documents related videos, etc. We should have ideally around 40-45 plus, and every year we do around 200 videos at least. This has been available, and this is a source of information. Let us say there are two ways to search for the videos. I am looking at closing ranks. I can look at all the videos which have a tag of closing ranks. There are many queries on how to look at closing ranks. For instance, I don't know how to look at closing ranks for West Bengal. Just go ahead and play the West Bengal video. There will be a complete idea of how to look at the closing ranks and who is eligible for what seats, what quota means what. That is available. And also for DNB, NBE Diploma, we have done a video. We have also done an overall video of how to look at closing ranks as far as All India Counselling is also concerned. Once you can either use this tab, or you can use search on the title. Like I want to know the process and sequence of counselings, then I can search process and sequence of counselings, and it should be filtering out the entire information based on the title. I want to know NRI related information, I can filter out on NRI, and all the NRI related information is available. This is a power of the portal. Everything is available. For videos, we would specifically ask you to use the app, because it is better in the app. You would be used to it. If you want it in a big screen for demos, etc., you can use it in the portal, but otherwise use the app. Similarly, for simple information, one level information, use the app. For allotments, announcements and events, use the app. That is always better. Next, the tags are also there. You can filter out on any tag. We will usually have tags on based on state, based on the nature of the video, like an NRA, etc., that you can always use. This is a part of it. Once you get into, let us say, once you get into the video section and you click on a particular category, you will have the complete list of videos in sorted order. You can further filter these based on fee, etc., and move on. The multiple categories, keep looking at these categories, because round-wise rules or strategy is another category that we will be comprehensively putting in videos on. You will benefit out of the entire set of videos that we put on for taking decisions. This is all, but there is something that we have very interesting, which is also very good in terms of managing the data. When you go to closing ranks, and let us say you see All India Counselling, and you figure out that VMMC Delhi is an institute of choice. How do I add it to the choice list? You can click on this and add it to the choice list. There is one choice list for each counseling, because you will be filling one choice list for each counseling that you are going to attend. It will be different. It will be based on only those institutes that are available. So that feature is available over here, and you will be able to add on content to the choice list. Now, where can you see the choice list? Go to the dashboard on the top right over here. Do you see the heart button? This heart button is where the choice list is. You can pull up the sheet, and you will be able to see that there are three choices now under the choice list available over here. Here you see that under filters, you will still be able to filter everything based on the choices available. You will be able to use all the filters that are available over here. You can also move choices. Say I want VMMC radio diagnosis to move to the bottom. You can always move it to the bottom. Similarly, let us say I want Sage GS to move to the bottom. You can always first, then you can always move it to the first, and you also have options of Sage GS being moved to a particular position. Enter a particular number. I wanted to move to third position. It will automatically move to the third position. So this all is possible with the app, and use it for what? For creating choice lists. Currently, create as many choice lists as you want to. If you want to go back, and you can always rework on the entire choice list. There might be some choices not available last year, but might be new choices. We will be adding on a feature to add new choices here. We have added a feature to add new choices here. Select the institute. I want to add an institute. Let us say Sage GS is coming up with nuclear medicine this year. And that is already available, but let us say it is coming up with nuclear medicine this year. I can go ahead and add the choice under Sage GS, whichever quota I belong to, whichever category I belong to, and then add it either as the last option, or you have an addition to add as the first option. You can also add a custom choice number, where you can pull out this, move this choice. Now this will be added, as you can see, as a new choice with no closing rank. If a closing rank is available there, it will pick up the closing rank. Otherwise, there will be no closing rank for this choice. Deletion, like we saw, deletion is also just drag over here, and then you will see a delete button. Then you will be able to delete this. This is pretty much about the app. We have covered most of what the app offers. Some of these, like FAQs, resources, you can go ahead and check. It is similar to what is available in the portal too, but in possibly a better viewable format. So what we would primarily say is, before reviewing us, before asking us why is this app like this, how to use the app, etc., please go through the portal once. The portal is the primary offering, but the app offers flexibility in a lot of things, like looking at bulletin information, announcements, event section, looking at videos and keeping updated of the videos, etc. The app is really useful. So use the app for that purpose, and use the portal for what purpose it is built. Large level analysis, use the portal. If you are used to the apps too, please use the portal and then give us feedback on how it is, because large scale data cannot be condensed into the app. That is why you see everything in card format. We will come up with the tables format, but before that too, just use the portal to the extent possible. That is our primary offering. Also use the choice list. Choice list is an excellent feature where you will be able to get all. Let us say you have 150 choices, 2000 choices. Everything is available over here. You can always be ready with this. Instead of writing it down somewhere, figuring out how to write 1000 choices, 500 choices, you can add on all these here, because anyways you are going to do it again in the MCC portal or the state portal. This will help you at least know what are the choices. There will be a lot of issues. You will keep dragging and dropping choices. This makes it very easy for you to manage your entire choice list. Finally, you pick up the choices from this list. It is not directly transferred to MCC or the state counseling. You will have to, again, after picking up the entire information, you will also have to again enter that information in the MCC portal while choice filling, but you won't have to chop and change over there. your choice list is already done over here. Just go through the other information that is given, like just have a look at what all information is given. That will really help you. So this is pretty much what we wanted to tell you about the app. The sections are there are huge number, the large number of data as well. It is an exact replica in terms of data of our portal. The only missing option is possibly the counseling timeline, which is missing over here. Rest of it is available, and this is a good one for good format for announcements, events, bulletin boards, videos, and then even under the resource for the resources section. But for the rest, we would suggest tables. You suggest primarily you look at what the portal tables. Please don't come back to the app and say that we don't have a form. The app is really bad for looking at large level information. We have our tables and we built this app because you wanted to look at smaller level information or distinct information in certain cases. The portal is primary. Also use the portal. Use the app wherever you think it is better, is a better form factor. Spend 2 times or 2 days on the app and 2 days on the portal, and then take your call. Any queries or feedback on the app, please let us know. We'll immediately sort this out. That is pretty much from our end. Thanks a lot for watching. We will come back with other videos as we move ahead throughout the counseling process. The counseling is expected to start soon. We have got 3 to 4 prospectus. Today Gujarat has also released. We'll come up with videos on that too as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for watching.